hello to my YouTube channel, Melanie Hair Colors. If you like my channel, feel free to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for all notifications. I am going to try to crimp my hair with the tool that is named Cherry Blossom. I'm not sponsored by the company. And use an ion. You don't spray this on your roots. You just go like this. I'm gonna finish up the rest of my hair. This is what it looks like so far. So see you guys in a bit. Hello to my YouTube channel, Melanie Hair Colors. This is the finished result of my hair. I had to go fast on the left side so it's not as crimpy as the right side, but that's okay. It was just a test run to see how well the crimp worked. I'm going to be trying out more once a week. I will be doing one after the hair wash, doing a blow dry and all that fun stuff. Well, anyways, this is what the right side looks like. I love the colors. I love the blue in here. And you see the yellow, nice and crimped, and the purple. So, give you guys a nice zoom. And yes, it is very shiny. Alright, let's grab up more of the hair. Alright, I'll show you this side. Alright, I'm going to show you the back of my hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, the links will be in below. And I cannot wait to do some more hair videos for you. And do not overuse the heat, guys. I'll get into that. I don't like using heat on my hair, but since we're in this situation, I'm just going to test run it, see how well it works with vibrant colors. Alright, see y'all in the future. Bye for now.